math seminar for SE students and 2080 batches. Alright, so we will be learning trigonometry. Basically, I'm focusing in trigonometry today. Alright, I'll be giving you the basic ideas first, and then I will solve some questions which are almost 100% guaranteed. Alright, okay, let's see. Let's go for that. And yes, if you are having any questions, right, any clarification, you may just text me in comments. All right. Okay. So here we go. The topic is trigonometry. Hope it's visible to you all, guys. All right. In trigonometry, first of all, let me clear out some bases for you. The very first thing is, today we'll discuss, I'll start from here. See this formula, sum and difference. Sum and difference, okay? Okay, do you guys know the formula for this? A plus B, okay? See here, sine A plus B, what is the formula for this? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Alright? And for cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Likewise, the formula for tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Well, similarly for difference, A minus B, sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, right? Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. And likewise, tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. And here, we generally won't use cot, but still, let's write the formula. Nothing wrong with that. Cot B into cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Hope it is visible to you guys. Likewise here, cot, oh my god, pardon me, this is negative, so minus plus. Cot A minus B is cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Okay. Well, why I'm again writing these formulas is because these are the basics. Alright. Now I'll be explaining you about the cast rule. Because using this and cast rule, we will be solving a lots of problems of multiple angles. Alright. So hope you guys know these all formulas. Okay. So I'll move to the next. Now look here, it's very much technical and very much important. See, cast rule. In your grade 9 itself, you have learned what is cast rule. Okay. And again, this is first quadrant, first, second, third, fourth. Let's write like this: second, third, and fourth. This is 0 degree as well as 360 degree. Here 90 degree, 180, 270. Alright? Okay. Now again, in first quadrant, as you know, all ratios are positive. Right? All ratios are positive. Second, only sine and cosec are positive. Alright. In third one, tan and cot are positive. Okay. And in fourth one, cos and sec are positive. Alright. Now, after knowing this, there are some very important things you should know about this. Okay. Now in cast rule, okay, I'll be writing some rules here. These will be very helpful for you while solving the problems. Right. The first thing, how to change the ratio. Sine theta always changes into cos theta. Right? Let's say for example sine 90 plus theta. I'll explain you again. I'm writing like this. Sine will change into cos and cos will change into sine. Right? Accordingly, tan theta will change into cot. Cot theta, and cot theta will change into tan theta. Okay. And accordingly, sec theta will change into cosec theta, and cosec will change into sec theta. All right. So we'll see here. See, the very first thing, rule number 1. Rule number two is, yeah. Are you guys having any issues, any problems? It stopped, the video is uploading. I don't know what's wrong with this. No problem, right guys? Okay. No worries. Because in my laptop it was showing some errors. Okay, great. Now again, this is rule number 1. Now rule number 2 is, see, for odd multiples of 90, change the ratio. Change ratio. It means if you see like 90 plus or minus whatever, okay, plus or minus theta, then you have to be careful that sine will be changed into cos into sine. Accordingly, tan into cot and cot into tan, sec into cosec and cosec into sec. So that is for odd multiple, as I said here, 90 and 270. In these two you have to change the ratio. Clear? And second I number, let's say, and third one, second rule, in second step, for even multiples of 90, no change. Alright, the ratio won't change. It means if it is, let's say for example, sine 90, even multiples, sine 180 plus theta. In that case, what are you going to write the value? Since here is 180, it's the even multiple, right? 2 times 90. So sine won't change. It will remain sine itself. But for plus minus, I will give you the examples how we're gonna find those ratios. Alright? So are you guys clear up to here? Any comments, please? Anything more you want to know? Mention in comment, guys. Page number. Someone is mentioning here page number. What is that? If you have any particular question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'll be giving you lots of questions over here. No, sir, all good. Alright. So we'll move ahead. Okay. Okay. Now, so hope you guys have just understood this. So this is rule number 2. Okay. Alright. Now we see, just with the help of this, you can make all those formulas. I'm just recalling here, I'm just trying to, enhance your base. Right. So for that, now if it is 90 minus theta, you guys all know very well. Like, what will be the value of sine 90 minus theta? Tell me. Can anyone tell what will be the value of sine 90 minus theta? See, because of 90, the ratio will change. Cos theta, right? 1 times 90. And it lies in first quadrant. And we know all are positive, so it's positive. Now what about cos 90 minus theta? Same. Just, I told you in rule number 1, sine will change into cos and cos will change into sine theta. So, just according to this, find all the ratios. Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. All the ratios by yourself. Alright? So that you will get the ideas. Alright? So this is for 90 minus theta. Now, next one is 90 plus theta. Look here. Sine 90 plus theta. What will be the value of sine 90 plus theta? Can anyone tell me? 90. Because of 90, change the ratio cos. Now, think. For sine, 90 plus theta means in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine is positive, so don't see the value, the answer, just see over here. It's sine, so it's sine won't change over here in second quadrant, so just keep it positive. I mean, it remains positive in second, so positive. In same case, if I'm writing cos 90 plus theta, what will be the value then? See, cos 90 plus theta, because of 90 it will change into sine theta, right? 90, 1 into 90, and 90 plus theta in second quadrant. So in second quadrant you can see here only sine and cosec are positive. There is no cos, so minus. Right. So what is the use of this formula then? For example, if you want to find the value of sine, let's say sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? The value of sine 30 is 1 by 2, as you all know. And this is same as the value of, in place of 90 I am writing just 90 minus 60. Right. So what you can say is, because of 90 it's changed into cos 60. So what you can say is, the value of sine 30 and cos 60 is the same, 1 by 2. Right. So this is the actual implication of this formula. Right. So 90 plus theta. Now accordingly you guys make the formulas for I'll write here. These are just the very basic things. I'll come to the more complex problems. First have a look over there. Okay, so this was 90 plus theta. Now let's see 180 minus theta. Can anyone tell me what is the value of sine 180 minus theta? Anyone guys? Anyone? Try. Try, and you can just mention in comment as well. What should be the value? So this will be sine theta. Well, those who are asking for compound interest, don't worry. I'll come back to C maths also. Just wait for a while. First, let me clear some basic portion of some maths. All right. So sine 180 minus theta will be sine theta. What is the value of? Okay, I'm going to 270 plus theta. Tell me, anyone, what is the value of sine 270 plus theta? 270 plus theta. Anyone? What should be the value? See, because of 270 means 3 times 90, odd multiples, right? Odd multiple 90. So ratio changes. That is cos theta. Now the 270 plus theta means 270 plus means this is the border for 270. You are crossing this away. So here it lies in fourth quadrant. And in fourth quadrant only cos and sec are positive. You are trying to find the value of what? Sine 270 plus theta. In fourth quadrant sine will be negative. So minus cos theta. So this is the value of cos theta. Good. Yeah, this is the value of minus cos theta. I mean sine 270 plus theta. Now, let's see. Why should we learn these ideas, these formulas? So are you guys clear up to here? Please put comments, okay? If anything is there, please put comment. Is it clear? Okay. So I'll move ahead, right? Just a minute, guys. Okay. So now I will show you how to find the value of sine, let's say 240 degree. Okay. Can anyone tell me what should be the value of sine 240? How do you find this? Try guys. Sine 240. Sine, see this one simply 3 into 90. 390 means 270, right? 270, but it's 240, so I write minus 30. Now, just because of this odd multiple, the ratio will change. It changes into cos, and here is theta, right? Cos theta. But now check, in which quadrant does it lie? 3 times 90, 190, 290, 390. So this is the border for 270, 390 means. And you are coming backwards in same direction, so it's in third quadrant. In third, sign is negative, so minus. And the value of minus cos theta is root 3 by 2, so it's minus root 3 by 2. Alright, it's very simple guys, there is no any problem. Once again, let me just refresh my page. Alright, okay, so this is how we find the value of sine 240. Now, on a very important thing, example, how to find the value of tan, let's say 945. All right, can anyone tell me the value of tan 945? Just try Try. See. Here, 10, 945 equals to 10, 945 means 10 times 90 plus 45. 10 times 90 plus 45. Again. My voice is clear, guys? I'm getting some notifications over here. Is my voice clear to you all? Okay, good, good. All right. So 10 times 90, since it is even multiple, the ratio won't change. 10. This is theta, 45. Now, okay. In which quadrant does it lie? It's very simple. Just count here. 1, 90, right? This is 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 times 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 90 means up to here. Plus 45. So you are in third quadrant. In third quadrant, 10 is positive. So it's positive. Simple. Right? And the value is 1045 is 1. Hope you guys know the values of this basic up to 90. Right? The values of this ratio. So this is how we find the value of 10, 9, 45. Alright. So hope you guys are understanding this. Very soon I'm going to grade 10 multiple angles problem solving. But before that, these are the basics. Now look here. One more example. Tell me what will be the value of sine minus let's say 1080 degrees. Alright guys, tell me what is the value of sine minus 1080 degree. Can anyone tell me what is negative angle? What is negative angle? Negative angle. Look here, let me clear it out. See, this is 0 degree, this is the base. Generally we draw the line like this, we go in this direction, like this, anti-clockwise direction. So if you're going like this is simply theta, that is the positive angle. But if you go this way, opposite direction, like this is called negative angle, minus theta. Alright? Negative angle. So in such case, what you have to understand is, it's very simple. Right, as a note, I'll give you one simple technique. Sine minus theta. Tell me guys, what will be the value of sine minus theta? Come on, sine minus theta. Sine minus theta, anyone? Is there any message? Okay. Sine minus theta. Look here. Sine minus theta means. Now tell me, is this sine theta or minus sine theta? It's very simple. Just look at it. Just look at it. Negative means go this way, and the very first step is very first quadrant is the fourth quadrant, right? And for fourth quadrant only cos theta and sec theta are positive, as you guys know, right? So here it's very simple. Other than this, each of the ratio will be negative. Clear? Are you getting me? Each of the ratios will be negative, only except these two. It means sine minus theta is minus sine theta, right? Cos minus theta is cos theta, simply positive, because it lies here, over here. Okay? Tan minus theta will be minus tan theta, because tan is negative over here. So you guys are clear now. Now tell me, so what is the value of this sine minus 1080 degrees? So in this case, this minus comes out in front, sine 1080. Yeah, minus. Now let's find the value of sine 1080. But before this, 1190. Let's make this 1080, 1050 degrees. Sorry, 1050 degrees. Otherwise, you will not get exact. Okay. Now what you do is divide 1050 by 90. 90 ones are 15, 0. 9 ones are 90. So what is the remaining? 60, right? Are you guys clear with this? Yeah. So here what we can do is sine 11 times 90. 11 times 90 means 11 times 90, 990 plus 60. Like this. Clear? So after this, now follow the previous rules. Let this be minus over here. Because of 11 odd multiples, right? The ratio will change. So this will be cos 60. Be careful, here is minus. Now, cos 60. Now just try to figure out in which quadrant does this lie. 11 times 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times 90 means up to here. Up to here. You are here. And plus 60 means you are coming in which quadrant? The fourth quadrant, right? In fourth quadrant, what is sign? Don't say this. Sign, negative. So minus, one more minus. This minus because of negative angle. Negative angle. And this minus because sign is negative in fourth quadrant. So that's why minus. Minus minus plus and cos 60. And what is the value of cos 60, guys? It's 1/2. So these are some basic ideas I needed to give you before we proceed to grade 10 trigonometry. Right? So are you guys clear? Any confusion? Any confusion? Tell me in comments. कसैले के कम बुझेको छैन भने भन्नुस् है के छ भने सर यो कुरा अझ सिक्न मन लाग्यो अझ अलिकति के put it in comment please. Anyone? No confusion, right? Are you guys with me? Hello? Okay. Now I'll move to the next topic. Now I'll show you some problems over here. Now I'll show you some problems which are almost 100% guaranteed problems. I'll show you some problems over here from grade 10. I have brought here some problems for you guys, right? These are very, very important questions for your exam, okay? So the first question is, see this question, hope you guys know this. Well, before this, do you guys know the formulas for multiples and submultiples? Any confusion, anything? You need to be clarified, please. Please ask me, okay? Ask me. Okay. Just कतिजना धेरै छ के प्रब्लम भइरहेछ त्यतिको 8 छैन 8 छैन ओले 8 जना अनलाइन हुनुहुन्छ गाइस तपाईहरुले साथीहरुलाई शेयर गर्नु भएको रहन्छ जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई जम्मा 8 जना मात्र अनलाइन हुनुहुन्छ अलिकति धेरै साथीहरुलाई उ गर्नुस् ताकि सबैलाई सजिलो होस् अरूलाई पनि सिक्ने मौका पाओस् ओके ल ओके now look here अब हेर है तिमीहरुलाई मैले के इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन I'm going to give you some very important questions from multiple angles. Before that, do you guys know the formula of this? What is the formula of sin 2a? 2 sin a cos a. Right? What is the formula in terms of tan? 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. These things I have already discussed in my previous video. Okay? Number 2. What is the major formula of cos 2a? Cos square a minus sin square a. Cos square a minus sin square a. Okay. Guys, तिमीहरुको साथीहरु जम्मा 10 जना त्यत्रो विद्यार्थी सेक्सन भनेको थिए मैले जी का सेक्सनहरुलाई शेयर गराउँदा एकपल्ट केटाकेटी हो जी का एफ का अप्सन म्याथ पढ्नेहरुलाई जी का ओके साजन राज वैद्य ओके जी का एफ का साथीहरुलाई शेयर गर धेरै प्रब्लम यहाँ इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन गर्न गइरहेको छु मैले ग्रेड 10 को तिमीहरु जम्मा भ्युअर्स 9 मात्र वाचिङ देखिरहेको छु मैले प्लिज गाइस शेयर म्याक्सिमम को साथीहरु हुनुहुन्छ शेयर गर्नुस् त कोही अनलाइन छैन गरेको हो सर अरे ओके एनीवे अनलाइन आए छैनन् केटाहरु मैले अस्ति भनेको थिए भन्न चाहिँ अब धेरैलाई फाइदा हुन्थ्यो एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन्सहरु छन् अलराइट यु नो वरिज ठिकै छ हेर सी cos the major formula for cos 2 is this one right and only in terms of cos is 2 cos square a minus 1 in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square a 1 minus 2 sin square a all right in terms of tan anyone knows 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. In my last video, I have just explained how to form these formulas. I hope you have watched those videos. And then, इसको cot मा पनि छ थाहा छ केटा guys, what is the formula? Cot square a minus 1 by cot square a plus 1. यही formula लाई tan लाई 1 by cot गर्यो भने हामीले we can get that. Okay. Then number 3, tan 2a. What is the formula of tan 2a? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Don't get confused between this and this. Here will be plus and here will be minus. Then you have to be very careful. After this, cot 2a. Anyone knows the formula of cot 2a? के हुन्छ होला cot 2a को formula? Guys, anyone? कसैले भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ? 2 cot a by cot square a minus 1. Is that correct or no? Just change this 1 by cot cot square a minus 1. Right? So cot square will go up and you will get it. Alright. So, after this, I will go for formula of triple angles. Again. Sin 3a. What is formula of sin 3a? Sin 3a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Hope you guys know this. Cos 3a ko formula. What is formula of cos 3a? 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Alright? Then tan 3a. What is the formula? 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square. Generally we use this formulas. 3 tan square a. Okay? Now I'll show you some very important questions. So for you guys, I have sorted out some very important questions that will be definitely asked in your exams. Okay? So whether it's SE or center, any exam. So the first question I'm going to discuss is, see this question, how many of you know this? 1 by sine 10 minus root 3 by cos 10 equals to 4. Have you guys solved this problem? Sub multiple wala pani sikaunu na. Okay, no worries. Let me finish this. म तिमीलाई सब मल्टिपल्स को बारेमा पनि भन्छु है. अब यहाँ त ल यो प्रब्लम सल्भ गरौँ पहिला है. हेर्नुस् है. तपाईलाई म एकदमै मेन इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन मात्रै गर्न गइरहेको छु यहाँ इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन्स. Important questions. Again, 1 by sine 10 minus root 3 by cos 10. So look here. Take LCM. Sine 10 cos 10, right? Sine 10 cos 10. अब यो cos 10 यहाँ गयो. Cos 10 minus root 3 sine 10. Okay? अब हामीले एक स्टेप के गर्न सक्छौँ हेर त यहाँ. यसलाई मैले के गरिदिन्छु? यदि यहाँ 1 by 2 राख्ने यहाँ by 2 गर्नु. एक्चुअली ओडी गर्नु छ भने यहाँ 1 छ, यहाँ root 3 छ. यसको कोएफिसिएन्ट 1, यसको कोएफिसिएन्ट root 3. अब यो दुईटाको स्क्वायर गरेर जसको यसको स्क्वायर root 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 को स्क्वायर गर्दाखेरि कति आउँछ त? 4 आउँछ, that is 2. So 2 ले डिवाइड गरिदिनुस्. This is the major trick in this question. Cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10 by हेर त यहाँ के हुने भयो? 1 by 2 sin 10 cos 10. Is this clear? Hope you guys are understanding this. Alright, now 1 by 2. Hence the 1 by 2. Do you think that is sin 30? Yes or no? 1 by 2 भनेको sin 30 को value हो. Okay, sin 30 into cos 10 minus this is cos 30 into sin 10 by 1 by, see, sin A cos A. If here is 2, imagine if here is 2, it will take the formula of sin 2A. Yes or no? So what I'll do is I'll put just 1 by 4 over here and 2 sin 10 into cos 10. So what you get is, see, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So that is simply sin A minus B by, and this 4 comes in front, and this one 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A, 2 into 10, that is 20. So 4 into sin 20 by sin 20. So this cancel. So the answer is 4. So this is one of the very important question for HE and center exams. Now I'll give you some very tough questions. These are still the basics. So guys, are you clear with this? के छ भने भन है कसैले. 11 जना आयो भर्खरै. यी केटाकेटीलाई मैले सबले भनेको थिएँ क्लासमा हरेक सेक्सनमा जी का एच का एफ का कोही आएछन् क्या हो यहाँ? को छ यहाँ? को छ कोही? छैन सर अरे. ओके. नो मोर कन्फ्युजन्स है. म अगाडि बढेँ है. ल. फेसबुकमा शेयर गर्दा नि हुन्छ. Okay, right, another very important question I'm going to solve over here. See this question. यो क्वेशन चाहिँ प्राय नम्बर 2 मा गएँ म. तिमीलाई एकैचोटि गाह्रो हुन हल्का स्टेप बाई गइरहेको छु म tan 20 plus 4 sin 20 equals to √3 है यो क्वेसन पनि एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसन हो है हेर्नु होला सो हाउ विल यु सल्भ दिस हेर्दाखेरि छोटो देखिन्छ खासै गाह्रो होइन तर सोधिरहेको भयो है tan 20 प्लस त्यो फेसबुकमा लाइभ सेयर गर्दैन 4 sin
फेसबुकमा के लिंक
होइन डाइरेक्ट नाउ लुक हियर tan 20 means sin 20 by cos 20 plus 4 sin 20. See guys, and right. So what I'll do is next step. Here is 1. So LCM will be cos 20 sin 20 plus 4 sin 20 into cos 20. Right? Then, okay, right? Sin 20 छँदैछ यहाँनिर. Now what I'm going to do over here is your 4.
केमा सी गर्नु
फेसबुकमा लाइभ पोस्ट गर न 2 into 2 sin
फेसबुकमा स्ट्रिम गर्नु हैन
cos 20 by cos 20. हेर्नुहोस् है what I did is I just broke this into two numbers 2 into 2. Then sin 20 plus look at these two remains as it is right. अब 2 sin 20 cos 20 भनेको के हो फर्मुला होला sin 2 को sin 2 into 20 भनेको 40 भयो by cos 20 right. अब यसपछि के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि sin 20 plus 2 sin 40 लाई मैले के गरे 60 minus 20 गरिदिएँ के फरक पर्ला hope you guys understood this. It's very clear. 40 can simply be written as 60 minus 20 by cos 20.
So त्यो फेसबुकमा लाइभ स्ट्रिम गर्न तपाईको त्यहाँ आउनु भन्नु पनि आडा हैन
हो र यहाँ पनि आइडी हो रे त अनि शेयर गर्दा मिलिहाल्ला नि
आउनु भन्दा इमेल र फेसबुक
now 2 sin a minus b हेर त sin a cos b minus cos a sin b हेर्नुस् है right cos 20. So what do you get is sin 20 as it is राख्ने just keep it as it is 2 into मैले यसलाई ब्रैकेट ओपन गर्दै ल 2 into sin 60 is what is value of sin 60 √3 by 2 cos 10 cos 20 as it is राख्नुस् no worries minus 2 into look at cos 60 means 1 by 2 sin 20 by sorry cos 20 here right. Now look at this cancel this cancel plus sin 20 minus sin 20 will cut you. So remaining is √3 cos 20 by cos 20. So you can cut you. Bagi rahi kati √3. So this is how we solve this question. Okay. Are you guys clear? Ke confusion छ भने भन्नुस् है मलाई. Okay. So we go to the next question. अब म अर्को important question फेरि एक्सप्लेन गर्न गइरहेको छु हेर्नुस् है. Shall I wrap this? Hope you guys are done with this. ल अर्को भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसन र अलिकति च्यालेन्जिङ अब म तिमीलाई अलिकति च्यालेन्जिङ क्वेसन पढाउन जान्छु सी दिस क्वेसन sin pi by 18 into sin 5 pi by 18 into sin 7 pi by 18 equals to 1 by 8. ओके यो क्वेसन पनि धेरै नै इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसन छ र प्राय सोधिरहेको छ गाइस याद गर्नु होला. Now look here. So go with LHS. See carefully. Sin pi by 18, sorry. गाइस यो क्वेसन सार्नुहोस् त के छ भने सर एकछिन सार्न दिनु रे सरी ओके ल ल ल यो गर यो सारा क्वेसन म स्टेप बाइ स्टेप गर्दै जान्छु अनि ओके द्याट्स गुड ओके नाउ लुक गाइस अब यहाँ हामीले के गर्न सक्छौं व्हाट आई एम डुइङ इज जस्ट फोकस हेर्नु न यहाँ sin pi by 8 छ है सो व्हाट आई डु इज 2 sin pi by 18 into cos pi by 18. What I did, I just put over here cos additional and 2 additional. So I'll just balance this 2 cos pi by 18. Right? Balance है. अनि यसलाई as it is राख्नुस्. Sin 5 pi by 18 into sin 7 pi by 18. Class is in session. Okay. Now look here. 2 sin A cos A. के को formula भन्नुस् त यो? What is the formula for this? Sin 2A, right? Sin 2A. Sin 2A. 2 into pi by 18 2 pi by 18. बुझ्नुहुन्छ होला तपाईहरुले. Right? Sin 2 pi by 18. सर यसपछि सीम्याथको टेस्ट प्रिपरेसन क्वेशन पनि दिनु है रे. No worries. Okay, look here. Sin 2 pi by 18. 2 cos pi by 18 into sin pi by 18. 5 pi by 18. Sin, right? What I'm doing is I'm keeping 7 pi by 18 together, and sin 5 pi by 18 लाई यहाँ राख्दै मैले. Now what happens? Right? Sin 2 pi by 18 upon 2 cos pi by 18, and here just try to understand sin pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 18. Can I write this? You understand? Pi by 2, I've written here pi by 2, hey? When you take LCM, 9 pi minus 2 pi, 7 pi again, right? You'll get 7 pi. So, what happens is, sin 2 pi by 18 by 2 cos pi by 18, and here 90 minus theta. Okay, bhakhar pade kura. That this is the reason why I just started from the very basics. Sin 90 minus theta. 90, in 90 the ratio changes, so this becomes cos 2 pi by 18. हेर्नुस् है ध्यान दिएर. See, and this sin 5 pi by 18 remains as it is. Alright. Now look here. अब मैले के गरेर न, see, do you find the same angles over here? Right? So what we just need is 2. So I'll just put here 2 sin. अब तपाईले बुझ्नुहुन्छ नि एक स्टेपमा डाइरेक्ट गरिदिन्छु है, ठाउँ छैन यहाँ. So I'll just put here 2 and here 4. Yes guys? Now 2 sin A cos A, that is formula of sin 2A, sin 4 pi by 18 into sin 5 pi by 18 upon 4 cos pi by 18. Now look here. What next? See, sin 4 pi by 18. अब यसलाई ब्रेक गर्ने प्रयास गरौँ न हामी. कसरी गर्ने होला? Pi by 2 minus 4 pi by, check guys, 9 pi, when you check LCM, 9 pi minus 4 pi, 5 pi आयो by 18, right? Upon 4 cos pi by 18. Okay, please just copy this, then I will continue. ल सार्ने टाइम दिए मैले एकछिन सार्नुस् है. I have just selected some very important questions. So यो क्वेशन्सहरु चाहिँ तपाईको प्राय एक्जाममा सोधिने क्वेशन भएको भएर मैले बेसिक क्वेशन्स द मेन क्वेशनलाई नै मैले टार्गेट बनाएर आज गराउँदै छु. र यो अब एकैछिन टाइम हेरौँ. छ टाइम हामीसँग. Let's solve many questions from this, then we will go for CMaths. CMaths मा पनि आज तपाईलाई I am going to solve some very important questions from mensurations, right? If possible, if we will have time, we will be solving some questions from equations as well. Is this okay? Shall I move ahead? Guys, reply me. Okay, मेरो यो कम्प्युटर अलिकति उ भइरहेछ के गाइस. Okay. So, यताको मेटे मैले. Now look at. So what we got over here is, हेर्नुस् त, from here. मुनिपटि 4 छ है. Yes. So sin 4 pi by 18, this one. And here 90 minus theta again. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos 4 pi by 18. I'm putting one more 2 over here. And downwards 8 cos pi by 18. Okay? Okay. Now, अब हेर फेरि 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A, sin 8 pi by 18 upon 8 times cos pi by 18. Right? Then finally sin, look here, this one can be written as pi minus pi by 18. Just try to figure, is that, sorry, pi by 2, because 9 pi, yeah, 9 pi minus pi गर्दाखेरि 8 pi आउँछ यहाँ हेर्नुस् है, and here 8 cos pi by 18. So ultimately what you got, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos pi by 18 upon 8 cos pi by 18. So this and this cancel, so the answer is 1 by h. Okay, so this is how we solve this question. This is one of the very important question. Hey guys, याद गर्नु, very important question हो. All right, so are you guys done with this? Shall I go to the next question? भन्नुस् है, मैले ल्यापटपमा चेक गर्दै छु तपाईँको कमेन्ट्स. Very good. Okay, Susan दाल ठीक छ. Susan, so shall we go to the next question now? ल म अर्को क्वेसनमा गएँ, यो मेटेँ है. सर त्यो लास्ट स्टेप अरे, लास्ट स्टेप लुक हियर, sin 8 pi by 18. हेर्नुस् यसलाई जस्ट हामीले ब्रेक गर्नुपर्छ. pi by 2 लेखेँ मैले, pi by 2 माइनस pi by, यो pi by यो ठ्याक्कै मुनिकोसँग मिल्छ के धेरै नि त्यहाँनिर. pi by 18 यसो गर्दा के हुन्छ, when you take LCM, the LCM is 18, right? So 2 ले 18 ले 9 pi हुन्छ नि यहाँ, 9 pi माइनस pi गर्दाखेरि 9 pi माइनस pi भनेको 8 pi भयो अनि 18 भयो. सो यो आखिरमा यो टोटलमा सिम्प्लिफाई गर्दा यति नै हुनुपर्छ. सो इट्स ब्यालेन्स. सो यसैले हामीले यसरी ब्रेक गर्न पायौँ. र किन ब्रेक गर्ने, द्याट इज द क्वेसन अगेन, बिकज इफ हियर इज 90 माइनस थीटा, sin 90 माइनस थीटा विल बी cos थीटा. सो यो काट्न पाइयो नि त. सो इज द्याट क्लियर राज? कोले सोध्नु भएको मलाई त्यो राज, त्यो लास्ट स्टेप समवन आस्क्ड मी, इज द्याट क्लियर? क्लियर देखिन अरे, इज इट क्लियर देखिएन र? मैले क्यामेरा, आई हाभन्ट चेन्ज द पोजिसन अफ माई क्यामेरा, सो आई डोन्ट थिङ्क देयर सुड बी एनी इस्युज. ओके, ओके, so we move to the next question guys. ठीक छ, नेक्स्ट क्वेसनमा जाउँ हामी. कमेन्टमा लेख्नुस् ल. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this. Now let's see the other important question. Ankit, are you there? Ankit भन्दै थियो, I don't know whether he is there in class or not. Ankit from section H. Anyone? Ankit? Okay. अब हेर त नेक्स्ट क्वेसनमा यहाँ लेख्दै छु. भिजन क्लियर छ कि छैन, क्लियर देखिन भन्ने थियो बच्चाले, हेर त त्यो केही प्रब्लम छैन नि?
छैन.
Okay. Guys, your question, see this question? This is similar to the previous one. Just before we did one question, right? Just before we solve the one question, right? Accordingly, you can do this. म तपाईलाई यो गर्दिन, आइडियामा दिन्छु. के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि see 2 pi by 7 छ, right? So what you do is just put here 1 by 2 sin 2 pi by 7. Okay? Into cos 2 pi by 7 छँदैछ into sin 2 pi by 7. 2 pi by 7 है. बाँकी यो दुईटालाई एज डिस सार्नुहोस् यहाँ. र यो भनेको के हुन्छ, अब यहाँ 1 by 2 गरेर 2 थप्ने, 2 sin a cos a भनेको sin 2a को फर्मुला जान्छ, राइट? दिस वान. सो अब यो sin 4 pi आउँछ, 4 pi by 7, and this will collect this one again, this will go to this, र यो एउटा लुपमा जान्छ कि यो आको cos sin pi 4 pi by 7 र cos pi by 4 pi by 7 फेरि अर्को फर्मुलामा जान्छ. सो अकॉर्डिंगली यु क्यान डु दिस. फर्स्टको क्वेसन गरेको जस्तै गरी यो पनि गर्न सकिन्छ है, यो कुरा याद गर्नु होला. ओके, सो अर्को क्वेसनमा गएँ त म. अब यो पनि इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसन हो, सिमिलरली गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईहरुले. सो आई एम नट डुइङ दिस. इज दैट ओके? क्यामेरा फोकस भएन सर अरे, इज इट? बेला बेलामा ल अहिले ठिक छ होला, चेक गर. अहिले ठिक छ जस्तो. सुशान्त चेक गर त, यो बेला बेलामा क्यामेरा अटो भइरहेछ कि. इज इट क्लियर नाउ सुशान्त? ओके, ल अब यो क्वेसन हेर, अर्को इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसन मैले लेख्दै छु. तपाईहरुको बुकमा पनि छ आई गेस. मैले डिफरेन्ट क्वेसन ब्याङ्कबाट लेखेको क्वेसनहरु हो यिनीहरु. न अब कति नम्बर पुग्यो? 3 नम्बर आई गेस, 3 or 4. 16 cos 2 pi by 15 into cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 8 pi by 15 into cos 16 pi by 15, and this should be equal to 1. So this question also, यो क्वेशन पनि अघि जस्तै हामीले गर्न सक्छौं है. सेम अघिकै कन्सेप्ट यसमा नयाँ कुरा के भन्छ भने सिमिलर क्वेशन म तपाईलाई रिफ्लेक्ट गर्दैछु. यसलाई तपाईले के गर्नुस् 8 गर्दिनुस् र 2 cos 2 pi by 15 छ नि एउटा टर्म एड गर्दिनुस् sin 2 pi by 15 जस्ट लाइक बिफोर. सिमिलर कन्सेप्ट्स यिनीहरु मध्ये एउटा क्वेशन स्योर आउँछ एक्जाममा, याद गर्नुस्. र यो गर्दिनुस्, यो बाँकी तीनटालाई एज इट इज राख्दिनुस्. ओके, देन 8. अब यो भने केमा गयो त फेरि 2 sin a cos a sin 2a sin 4 pi by 15, राइट. sin 4 pi by 15 मुनिको एज इट इज राख्नु sin 2 pi by 15 अनि यो बाँकी सेम प्रोसिड गर्ने. अनि यहाँ sin 4 by 15 आयो. अनि हेर त दिस cos 4 pi by 15. अब फेरि यहाँनिर 4 into 2 गरेर 4 into 2 गरेर यसलाई फेरि एउटा फर्ममा लाने. सो दिज अल क्वेशन्स आर अफ सिमिलर टाइप है. यो सिमिलर टाइपको क्वेशन हो. यो पनि मैले तपाईले क्वेशन सार्नुस्. यो एससीमा सोधिरहेको क्वेशन भएर मैले क्वेशन ब्याङ्कबाट कलेक्ट गरेको क्वेशन्सहरु हो यो है. याद गर्नुस् है. इट्स भेरी 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 इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन. अलराइट, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेशनमा जाउँ हामी अब है. सो आइ एम रबिङ दिस. अब हामीले धेरै कुराहरु कभर गर्नु छ गाइस. सो अलिकति म स्पिडमा जान्छु. तपाईहरुलाई आज धेरै कुरा सिकाउनु मन लाग्यो मलाई. तपाईको एक्जाममा रिफ्लेक्ट भएको होस्. नाउ दिस क्वेशन अब अलिकति डिफरेन्ट टाइपमा गए म. स्लाइड डिफरेन्ट. नम्बर 4 मा गए. sin power 4 pi by 8 तिमीको बुकमा छ यो क्वेशन आई गेस. कतिको क्वेशन पर्यो परेन. 3 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 equals to 3 by 2. हेर्नुस् है. अदरवाइज सर यो त आउँछ. ओके, नाउ डु यु नो गाइज, यु नो दिस क्वेशन. यो अहिले भर्खर क्वेशन आउँछ भने म यो गर्दिन. कसैले कन्फ्युजन छ भने भन्नुस् है. इफ एनीवन के कन्फ्युजन छ भने डु आई नीड टु डु दिस क्वेशन. यो क्वेशन गर्दिनु पर्छ. गर्नु न सर. अरे हु इज दैट? सुब्रत. ल सुब्रत. ओके, सो इट्स भेरी सिम्पल. म तपाईलाई यसकै अरमा जान्छु. यो भन्दा अझ कम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेशन छ एउटा यस्तै खालको. म त्यो चाहिँ गर्दिन्छु है. सो दिस क्वेशन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेन्ट देन दैट. Now see this. The answer is same. माथिको र यसमा के फरक पाउनुभयो तपाईले? टेल मी. Here sin pi by 8 cos pi by 8. ट्याक एंगल मिलाएर दिएको छ है. एउटा sin छ एउटा cos छ. But in this case you will see each one is cos. And this is the very important question you can see in question bank. हेर्नुस् है. अब यसलाई हामीले के गर्न सकिन्छ भन्दाखेरि what you can do is cos power 4 pi by 8 you just need to bracket plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus यसलाई हेर्नुस् त cos power 4 what I'll do is pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Think when you take LCM you will be getting 8. So यहाँ 4 pi भयो. 4 pi plus pi गर्दा 5 pi आ गयो न है. बुझ्दै हुनुहुन्छ है. प्लस देन अब यहाँ हेर्नुस् है. दिस वन यसलाई पनि सेम तरिकाले 4 power 4 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. अब यति गरिसके पछाडी cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 हेर है. Now here pi by 2 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta चाहिँ रेशियो चेन्ज भयो. sin यो भनेको हेर है एक्चुअली sin pi by 8 हुन्छ sin theta but it will be minus किन? It lies in second quadrant, it is cos. But still since here is power 4 it remains positive. Are you guys clear? है. अब यहाँ पनि सिमिलरली plus sin power 4 3 pi by 8. Now this question is just the another version of this. तपाईलाई दुई स्टेप सिम्प्लिफाई गरेर दिएको क्वेशन हो यो. तपाईलाई अझ कम्प्लिकेसन नजाँदा यो क्वेशन सोध्छ एक्जाममा, राइट? सो अब यो क्वेशन यही फर्ममा आइसके पछाडी अब यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी गर्ने अब हामी यो गर्छौं. ओके गाइस, ठीक छ है. याद गर्नुस् है त. ल अब म यो क्वेशन सल्भ गरिदिन्छु है त. यहाँ सारिसकेको छु मैले अलरेडी. सो आई विल सल्भ दिस क्वेशन. सो प्लिज कपी दिस. कपी गर्नुस्. केही कुरा छ भने कपी गर्नुस्. हु इज दिस एनोनिमस एनोनिमस भन्नेले के ऊ पढाइरहेछ एनोनिमस हु इज द्याट ओके ल अब यो मेटेँ है त मैले गाइस यी सब केटाहरू आज कहाँ गएछन् केटाकेटी कोही छैन जस्ट 6 वाचिङ सब घुम्नु गएछ आज स्याटरडे मान्न सुशान्तले गर्यो क्वेसन आफै यो गरिदिनु पर्छ ओके ल म तिमीलाई आइडिया दिइहाल्छु सजिलो छ इट्स भेरी सिम्पल लुक हियर sin स्क्वायर पाई बाई 8 को होल स्क्वायर प्लस cos स्क्वायर पाई बाई 8 को होल स्क्वायर गर्नुस् यहाँ पनि सेम sin स्क्वायर 3 पाई बाई 8 को होल स्क्वायर प्लस cos स्क्वायर 3 पाई बाई 8 को होल स्क्वायर देन a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर फर्मुला a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर minus 2ab right the same formula over here same plus a cos square 3 pi by 8 right a plus b whole square minus 2 sin square 3 pi by 8 into cos square 3 pi by 8 एकछिन गाइस म रिफ्रेश गरिहाल्छु कम्प्युटरलाई यो बेलामा रिफ्रेश गराउनुपर्छ कि यो अलिकति लोडिङमा प्रब्लम आइरहेछ ओके सो नाउ डु यु थिंक दिस इज 1 हेर त 1 भयो 1 minus 2 अब हेर यहाँ पनि म एउटा केही काम गर्दैछु 2 into म एकैचोटि गरिदिन्छु किनभने काम स्टेप जमाउन धेरै स्पेस छैन here is 2 just pay attention guys here is 2 यसलाई मैले कति गरिदिन्छु भन्दाखेरि 4 गरिदिन्छु 4 किन 2 sin pi by 8 cos pi by 8 होल स्क्वायर राइट अब यसो गरेपछि यहाँ कति हुन्छ र त 2 स्क्वायर 4 हुन्छ अगाडि 1/2 राख्दियौ सेम वे ओभर हियर दिस इज 1 minus 1/2 2 sin 3 pi by 8 cos 3 pi by 8 square right I don't know what's happening let me refresh it okay so 1 plus 1 2 minus 1/2 see this 2 sin equals sin 2a sin 2 times pi by 8 भनेको pi by 4 हो how many of you understood this right hey anonymous who is that जिपाती message not type गर्नुस् please minus 1/2 look here sin 3 pi by 3 के 3 pi by 4 हुन्छ because 6 pi by 8 हुन्छ याद गर्नुस् है 2a गर्दाखेरि अनि त्यसको क्यान्सल गर्दा यति आउँछ now look here 2 minus 1/2 sin pi by 4 what is value of sin pi by 4 sin 45 1/√2 1/√2 को स्क्वायर गर्दा 1/2 आयो 1/2 minus 1/2 into यो पनि sin 135 degree that is 1/2 right so 1/2 के 1/√2 so स्क्वायर गर्दा 1/2 अब हेर न यो भनेको 2 minus 1/4 1/2 भनेको 4 minus 1 गर्दा 3/2 so this is the answer okay please copy गर्नुस् this question your answer and I'll go for the next what's the time 4:53 भयो अब एक दुईटा क्वेशन अझै हेरौँ अलिकति अझ च्यालेन्जिङ क्वेशनहरु then we'll go for C maths है I don't know where are these guys only 8 are watching started सर अब C math रे ल अब C math गर्ने हो एकैछिन एउटा दुईटा क्वेशन गरिहालौँ है त यतिबेरको साथीहरुले कहाँ भयो अस्तिको खोप यो सेक्सन C is there anyone from section C सेक्सन C को कोही छ no one ये 6 सम्म हो 6 सम्म सुशान्त अप टु 6 o'clock अब 1 घण्टा है अब यो घण्टामा हामी अरु पनि थुप्रै कुराहरु सिक्दै छौं आज है त्यही भएर मैले धेरै भन्दा धेरै साथीहरुलाई बोलाउनु भनेको अब सबै कता कता गएछन् कोही छैन यहाँ ओके सो मैले मेटे यो क्वेशन याद गर्नुस् अलराइट अब अर्को एउटा क्वेशन छ हेर त यहाँनिर यो क्वेशन यो पनि आई गेस तिमीको बुकमा छ नम्बर कति 5 कति पुग्यो sin 6 into sin 42 into sine 66 into sine 78 equals to 1 by 16. How many of you know this question, guys? How many of you have idea about this question? Okay, now look here. So here, just go from LHS sine 6, sine 42, sine 66, sine 78. Look here. अब मैले के गर्छु, just what I'm doing is, यहाँ रिफ्रेश गर्दै एकपल्ट. Okay, right, 1 by 2 cos 6, okay, into 2 sin 6 cos 6. यिनीहरुमा सिमिलर आइडिया छ. अब यहाँ बाँकीमा हेर है के गर्नुपर्छ. अब यहाँ sin 42 means 90 minus 48 is that right? Sin 66 means 90 minus कति आउँछ त्यो 24, and this one sin 90 minus 12. So this means 1 by 2 cos 6, 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a, sin 12 degree. Yes, sin 12 degree. Now this becomes cos 12, so it just keep it over here. This becomes cos 24, cos 48. अब हेर्नुस् न, ठ्याक्कै मिलेर आउँछ यो ठ्याक्कै. 1 by 2 cos 6 into this one. यहाँ 2 यहाँ balance छैन, 2 पनि राख्नुपर्छ है, 2 balance. 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a, sin 12. Right? Sin 12 into cos 12, cos 24, cos 48. Now look here. अब यसलाई 1 by, हेर्नुस् है, I'll do 4 cos 6. यहाँ 2 गर्दै sin 12 into cos 12. अब तिमीलाई एक स्टेप मैले अलिकति डाइरेक्ट लेखिदिन्छु ल. होप यु विल अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड. यहाँ मैले 2 गरेर यहाँ 4 गर्दै 4. Then what happens? 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 24 by, यहाँ 2 गरेपछि यहाँ 4 भइसक्यो, थाहा छ तपाईलाई. 4 cos 6 into cos 24 into cos 48. Now look here. अब यहाँ फेरि 2 गरेर यहाँ मैले 8 गरिदिन्छु, हेर्नुस् है, 8. ओके, सो 2 sin 24 cos 24 भनेको कति हुन्छ त त्यो भन्दाखेरि cos sin 2a, sin 48 into cos 48 by 8 cos 6. 8 cos 6. अब यहाँ हामीले के गर्छौँ फेरि पनि, just put 2 by 2. So what happens? 2 sin a cos a भनेको sin 2a, 48 को डबल 96 by 16 cos 6, right? अब यो भनेको sin 90 plus 6 by 16 cos 6. So that is 90 plus theta, the ratio will change, cos, and it lies in second one is positive. So 16 cos 6. This and this cancel, answer is 1 by 16. This is also one of the very important question. याद गर्नुस्. Okay, so if you are watching भनेको
streaming for 1 hour.
जम्मा 8 होइन केटा कहाँ गएछन् न. ओके ल, अब मैले मेन्सन गरेँ. अर्को पनि अरू क्वेसनहरु पनि तिमीहरुसँग छ भने एउटा क्वेसन अझै यो गर्नै पर्ने जस्तो देख्दैछु मैले. यो क्वेसन एउटा म गरिदिइहाल्छु पर्ख है त. So Sarnu, just copy this. If you need to copy it, please make it fast. Because now I could be. Okay. Is there anyone from section F? No one. F bada koi chaina, C bada koi chaina, H bada, E bada koi chaina. Anyone from E? Anyone from section E? No one. G bada matrai cha from C section and gambling way. Okay, so let me drop this. You may meet hey. ल, अब एउटा क्वेशन तिमीलाई कतिको आइडिया छ? इट्स भेरी भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट. हेर त, यो 2 sin 3a by cos 3a plus 2 sin यो 2 sin a है सरी 2 sin a by cos 3a अनि 2 sin 3a by cos 9a plus 2 sin 9a by cos 27a equals to tan 27a minus tan a. Okay guys, your question understood? Do you guys know how to solve this question? Class ma garnu bhako hola, I guess it's there in your book, I guess. Is it? All right. So what you do is look here. अब ये simple तरीका 2 sin a. What I'm doing is just cos a मैले थप्दै मैले एलिजेस बाट गएँ सिधा एक स्टेप एलिजेस सारेर बसिन मैले टाइम उगर्नलाई सेभ गर्नलाई. So 2 cos 3a into cos a. So what happens is 2 cancel, cos cancel, see sin by cos 3a, right? It is balanced. Then again plus here 2 sin 3a. अब यहाँ हेर न 3 छ भने जे छ त्यसैले cos 3a by 2 cos 9a into cos 3a plus यहाँ पनि 2 sin 9a into cos 9a by 2 cos यो लास्ट क्वेशन है फ्रम ट्रिगोनोमेट्री आई मिन अप्सनल म्याथ्स. अरु कुनै कसैको केही विशेष टपिक छ भने यु क्यान आस्क मी, अदरवाइज आई विल गो टु सी म्याथ्स एन्ड cos 9a. तिमीले मलाई क्वेशन नम्बर मात्र पनि भन्यो भने मतलब बुक त छैन फेरि है. क्वेशनको केही छ भने क्वेशन गर्दा हुन्छ, तिमीहरूले फोटो खिचेर अथवा मलाई पर्सनली मेसेन्जरमा गर्दा नि हुन्छ, म मेसेजमा चेक गरेर गरिदिन्छु है. सो 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a 2 cos 3a into cos a plus sin 6a by 2 cos 9a into cos 3a plus sin 18a right by 2 cos 27a into cos 9a. Now look here. अब हेर त यसलाई के गर्न सकिन्छ sin 2a लाई 3a minus a लेखिदिने. यसो गर्दा के हुन्छ 3a minus sin a cos b गर्दा ठ्याक्कै काटिने टर्म्स आउँछ कि, and it will be balanced. 2 cos 3a into cos a. The same over here sin 9, just this between these two, right? Difference 9a minus 3a by 2 cos 9a into cos 3a plus here sin 27a minus 9a. त्यो आफै मिलाएर आउँछ कि, त्यो मिलिहाल्छ. 2 cos 27a into cos 9. ल यहाँसम्म ठिक छ. आर यु गाइज क्लियर? अब म यहाँ माथिको मेट्छु है. नेपालीको गरौँ पियुष क्वेसन कुरा गर्दै बसिरहेको छ पियुष. ओके यो माथिको मेट्दा हुन्छ गाइज. Now look here. Sin a minus b. Sin a cos b, right? Minus cos a sin b. हेर्नुस् है मैले छुट्याइदिन्छु है एकैचोटि. एक स्टेप भए पनि अलिकति भए पनि छिटो हुन्छ हामीलाई. 2 cos 3a into cos a. अनि यहाँ पनि 2 cos 3a बिचमा माइनस हुन्छ है. cos 3a into cos a. Right? Then here plus. Now what do you get? Sin 9a into cos 3a upon 2 cos 9a into cos 3a minus sin cos b. Cos 9a into sin 3a by 2 cos 9a into cos 3a. फेरि यताको लास्ट को see this one sin a cos b है अपन 2 cos 27a into cos 9a minus cos a sin b by 2 cos 27a into cos 9a. Wait guys, I have to refresh my channel. Now look here, what do you get? हेर है cos काट्यो, अरु के काटिन्छ यहाँ हेर्नुस् त. यहाँ के काट्यो cos 3a cos 3a cos 3a cos 3a then here cos 9a cos 9a cos 9a cos 9a cos 20 cos 27a, right? So what you are getting here? What are you here? क्वेसनमा 2 दिएको थिएन, क्वेसनमा 2 दिएको थियो है, सरी हामीले मुनि 2 राख्नु पर्दैन, हामी सो सरी, माथि क्वेसनमा 2 दिएको छ, क्वेसन एकपल्ट चेक गर्नुस्, क्वेसनमा 2 दिएको छ अलरेडी, वी डोन्ट नीड डाउन 2 है, क्वेसनमा 2 अलरेडी दिएको छ माथि, मुनिको 2 चाहिँदैन है, क्वेसनमा 2 दिएको छ, सरी। सो sin by cos भनेको tan 3a माइनस 2 छैन, राइट, cos sin by tan a, tan a हो कि cot a हो त्यो, sin by cos tan a भाइ, प्लस यहाँ के बाटी भयो 2 छैन, sin by tan 9a माइनस tan 3a प्लस tan 27a minus tan 9a. Now this and this cancel, this and sorry यो होइन, यो र यो चाहिँ cancel, equals to बाँकी कति रह्यो tan 27a minus tan, this is not cancel है, minus tan a equals to RHS. Alright, so now we go for compulsory maths. I guess it's already 1 hour, right? It's 5:06. Picture. Now we go for C maths. Okay, let's keep it over here. If you have any confusion, anything, please mention in message. Hey, sir, message ma question पठाए रे. Piyush, Facebook ma ho Piyush? Mohammed. Facebook ma ho Piyush? Piyush Joshi. Okay, just wait. Let me check. है, म चेक गर्दैछु ल Piyush. Sir, 18 नम्बर गरिदिनु न अरे. Which one? Piyush, which one? 18. CIN mention I sir. Okay. Compound interest. Which one? Which one, guys? Any. La. Okay, 18 number. Okay, now we go for compound interest. Hey, compound interest में जान्छौँ हामी. So we are done with this. You मेटे मैले अब. Okay, question number 18 को सिधै गरिदिउँ. तिमीलाई सी गाह्रो लाग्छ? 18C. Okay? Well, the question is like this. Sujita deposited rupees 4 lakhs in a commercial bank for 3 years at 10% per annum, compounded half yearly. After 1 year, the bank changed the policy and decided to give compound interest compounded quarterly, the second year, at the same rate, right? The bank bank charges 5% tax on the interest as per the government's rule. What is the percentage difference between the interest of the first and the second year? है, अब यहाँ सीम्याथ को सुरु भयो. अब सीम्याथ मात्रै हुनेहरुले पनि तपाईले शेयर गरिदिनुस् है. यो सेक्सन बी काहरु पनि कोही थिए जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई. त्यसले सोधेछु ससाङ कोही छ? Anyone? So from section B also you can join our section C को छ. अब म्याथ नहुनेहरुले सीम्याथ हुन जोइन गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Okay, so here what question says is Sujita deposited rupees 4 lakhs. So what is principal here? Principal P को value कति को छ त? रुपीस 4 lakhs, right? And then for in a commercial bank for 2 years at 10% rate. Rate is R equals to 10% sir. For first year, see carefully. For first year में के भनेको छ बैंक को क्वेशनले? Compounded half yearly. अब compound interest निकाल्नुस्. P into 1 plus R by 200 power 2t minus 1. So P is 400,000. 1 plus R, what is rate? 10 by 200 power 2 into 1 minus 1. So this is 400,000. अब यो भनेको 0 0 काटे मैले 1.05 square minus 1. So that is, now let me open my calculator. 1.05 into 1.05, 1.400,000, and यहाँनिर कति आउँछ त 1.1025 minus 1 है. So 1 क्यान्सल भएर यो भनेको 400,000 into 0.1025 गर्दाखेरि कति आउँछ, यो भनेको minus 1 into 4 lakhs, 1 2 3 4 5, 41,000. So look here, this is the interest of first year. हेर्नुस् है, फर्स्ट इयर को इन्ट्रेस्ट हो यो 41,000. but tax कति हुन्छ, tax amount is 5% of 41,000, 5% of 41,000. so tax free amount कति हुन्छ, tax free जुन हामीले पाउँछौँ, what we get is 95% हैन. so 95% of 41,000. तिमीलाई म इजी वे यो घटाइराख्नु निकालेको भन्दा डाइरेक्ट 0.95 into 41,000 गर्नु सर्टकट. सो कति आउँछ भन्दा into 0.95, it comes 38,000 rupees, 38,950, 38,950. okay, now for second year what happens, see, for second year your principal will be, P will be this one plus this. 400,000 was your investment, right? Plus 38,950 is going to be added. So it's 4 lakhs 38,950 is your principal, right? What's the time remaining? Time remaining is 1 year. Time remaining is 1 year, and rate will be the same, 10% as is mentioned in the question. Same rate, right? Same rate. So find the compound interest again. Compound interest निकाल्दिम, यहाँ 1 भन्दिम फर्स्ट लाई. अब यहाँ compound interest मेरा के भनिन्छ, quarterly, right? Quarterly. So P into 1 plus R by 400 power 40 minus 1. So that is 438,950. 1 plus 10 by 100, sorry, 400 power 4 minus 1. Now calculate this. Just a minute, maybe your computer. Okay, so अब यहाँ हेर त, म क्याल्कुलेटरमा गएँ, यो कति आउँछ भन्दा 41 divided by 40 गर्दा कति आयो, 1.025 raised to the power 4, 1 raised to the power 4, 1.1038. is this right? 41 divided by 40, 1.025 divided by raised to the power 4 into 1.025 brother, into 1.025 into 1.025. So it's minus 1 into 438,950. So it's 45,568 guys. Well, clearly, right? So tax free amount again, tax free amount भनेको 95%, 5% चार्ज काट्छ है. 95% of 45,568 into 0.95. So you are getting 43,290. Now the question is asking you find the percentage difference between the interest of the first and second year. Look at the first year we got tax free interest, this one, right? And second year we got tax free interest, this one. Therefore difference is, what is the difference? Difference equals to rupees 43,290 minus rupees 38,950. So what is the amount? Minus 38,950. So it is 4340. Finally, therefore difference percentage, see carefully. Difference percentage भनेको पहिलो भन्दा फर्स्ट इयर को भन्दा सेकेन्ड इयर को कतिले बढी छ, राइट? सो डिफरेन्स 4340 by original first one 38,950 into 100%. Now find it. How much you get? Divide by 38,950. So it's 11.14%. So this is the percentage difference between the interest of the compound interest of first year and the second year. Okay, good. La. So we have done this. Next question, 16b. Someone asked me, Susan, is that the one? Is that you? The one who asked me 16b? Okay, okay. La, I'm 16b also. So if you need to copy this, please do it now. And this is also one of the important question. Please do not forget this. And now we go for 16b. है त त्यसपछि म तपाईलाई मेन्सुरेसन को एक दुईटा टिपिकल क्वेशन गराउँछु. Is this done? Shall I go for rubbing it? Completed. Copied, sir. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, we go for question number 16b. Let me check the question. Okay, question number 16b, man. See, hope you guys are having book with you. The compound interest calculated yearly is that? Oh, calculated yearly on a certain sum of money for this second year is rupees 1320 and the for third year is 1452. Now calculate the rate of interest and the original sum of money. Now again, what do you have to understand? This is very much conceptual question. So we deposit certain amounts, all right? Let's say P. After 1 year, it becomes P1, right? That is the amount. But we have to take this as the principal for third year. I mean second year. This is the end of first year. Now this is second year, and here will be third year. And here in second year, you are getting interest as rupees 1320. Right? This is the interest. Be clear that this is the interest of only the second year. Only the second year. Okay, not of 2 years, just the second year. And here rupees 1452, and this is the interest of only the third year. Okay, only of third year. All right, so what we do is, okay, here compound interest of second year is how much? Rupees 1320, right? And compound interest of third year, I'm not telling you of 3 years, of third year. So that is rupees 1452. Now for your understanding, what you have to understand is, see the interest what you get for first, second, third, what is the process, how it goes on increasing. Like whatever interest you have got to pay, it will be piled up here. Again, its interest will be here. Then its interest will be calculated. अब यसको यहाँ जति बढ्यो तपाईको पैसा त्यसको क्याल्कुलेट हुने हो. भनेपछि यहाँ 1320 भयो, यहाँ 1320 भन्दा यो कतिले बढी छ भन्दा 132 ले बढी छ हेर्नुस्. राइट? सो 1320 कै 32 132 बढेको हो नि. Yes or no? So what you have to say, change in increase in interest is rupees this minus this 132. Right? And what percent is this? So तपाईले के गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भन्दा यसैले एउटा प्लिज फर एक्जाम्पल I have already explained you. Suppose 10,000 हामीले बैंकमा राख्यौ भने directly 2 years ma 10% को दरले you will be getting 2,000. Right? But if you go step by step, at first year you will be getting 1,000 additional. So in second year what happens is 10,000 10% is 10,000 10% in 2 years it will be 20,000. But this for the second year this 1,000 was added and its 10% is calculated, that is 100. So same rate ले तपाईको ब्याजको स्याज पनि क्याल्कुलेट हुन्छ. सो तपाईले के कन्फ्युज हुनु भएन यहाँनिर भन्दाखेरि जुन रेट यो प्रिन्सिपलबाट एप्लाई हुन्छ सेम रेट यो इन्ट्रेस्टको लागि पनि एप्लाई हुन्छ. सो यु क्यान डाइरेक्टली क्याल्कुलेट रेट फ्रम हियर. लाइक 1000 मा 100 बढ्यो भने कति पर्सेन्ट बढ्यो? यु क्यान गेट रेट फ्रम हियर. सेम थिङ 1320 को 132 भयो. सो इन्ट्रेस्ट रेट विल बी interest into principal by time into PTR. Time into what? Sorry, I into 100 by P into T. Right? किनभने PTR by 100 हुन्छ I भनेको. So I भनेको 132 छ into 100 by what is time? 1 year. Principal is 1320, right? 1320. So you will be getting 10%. So this is the interest. All right? फर्स्ट टर्म क्वेसन सल्भ गरिदिनु न अरे फर्स्ट टर्म क्वेसन वाट इज द क्वेसन सम्भव त्यो क्वेसन के हो मलाई फोटोमा पठाइदिनुहोस् मेरो मेसेन्जरमा पठाइदिनुहुन्छ वाट्सएप भाइबर छ भने तिमीहरूले मलाई डाइरेक्ट मेसेज गर्दै हुन्छ 9810177645 यदि कोही मेसेन्जरमा के सरी वाट्सएपमा भाइबरमा हुनुहुन्छ भने डाइरेक्ट मेसेज गर्नुहोस् यहाँबाट मलाई सजिलो हुन्छ है नाउ लुक हियर 10% रेट देन अब तपाईँले बुझ्नुपर्ने कुरा व्हाट यु हेभ टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड इज यो 1320 चाहिँ दिस इज द इन्ट्रेस्ट अफ सेकेन्ड इयर 2 वर्षको होइन 2 वर्षको भयो मैले डाइरेक्ट कम्पाउन्ड इन्ट्रेस्टको फर्मुला लगाएर टाइम 2 इयर्स राखेर यसलाई प्रिन्सिपल मानेर गर्न सक्थेँ ओके होला यो मेरो नेट स्लो भइरहेछ ओके सो तपाईँले बुझ्नुपर्ने कुरा यदि यहाँ यो 2 इयर्सको इन्ट्रेस्ट भइदिएको डाइरेक्ट मैले यहाँबाट गर्न सक्थेँ बट दिस इज द इन्ट्रेस्ट अफ सेकेन्ड इयर भन्ने भनेपछि सेकेन्ड इयरमा जानलाई पहिला फर्स्ट इयरको कति अमाउन्ट आयो त्यो चाहियो नि त हामीलाई यो हो नि त प्रिन्सिपल सो यो निकाल्नु पर्यो अब तपाईँले थाहा पाइसक्नु यु हेभ अलरेडी नोन द्याट द इन्ट्रेस्ट इज बिङ क्यालकुलेटेड 10% एभ्री इयर राइट 10% सो तपाईँले यहाँ के गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भन्दा पियुषको क्वेसन हेरेँ मैले ओके सो 10% अब हेर त सो तपाईँले यो प्रिन्सिपल अमाउन्ट चाहिँ निकाल्नु पर्यो अमाउन्ट निकालिदिनुहोस् न के हो फर्मुला कम्पाउन्ड अमाउन्ट p into 1 plus r by 100 power t अब यो भनेको यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्मको 1 इयर p is p itself 1 plus r is 10 by 100 power 1 यो भनेको 0 0 काट्यो 11 by 10 भनेको 11p by 10 आउँछ राइट 11p by 10 ओके नाउ अब तपाईँले के गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो प्रिन्सिपल भइसके पछाडि यो प्रिन्सिपल भयो टाइम 1 इयर चाहिँ इन्ट्रेस्ट आयो इट्स फिनिश देन ci equals to p1 यो यहाँको है p1 into 1 plus r by 100 to the power t minus 1 so p1 is 11p by 10 1 plus rate is 10 by 100 power 1 by minus 1 हेर त this and this cancel so your ci is how much this ci 1320 11p by 10 into 1 by 10 गर्दाखेरि 1320 into 100 by 11 equals to p यसले 11 हेर्नु 22 0 so therefore p equals to 12,000 Susan, is that clear? Are you there, Susan? Call us 16b. Susan. Okay, guys. So this was question number 16b. Okay, good. ल अब तपाईहरुसँग के क्वेशन छ भने सोध्नुस् अदरवाइज आई विल गिभ यु सम very typical questions. अब हामी के डिफरेन्ट क्वेशन्सहरु गर्न जान्छौँ है Okay. So if you need to copy this, just copy it. Otherwise, I'll just rub it. Sir, first term concept बुझाइदिनु अरे ल फर्स्ट टर्मको कन्सेप्ट म बुझाइदिन्छु एकैछिन है त Okay, so let me rub this. It's done, I guess. Okay guys, ल फर्स्ट टर्म यहाँ है फर्स्ट टर्म भनेको के हो त भन्दा त्यो फर्स्ट टर्म वाला क्वेशन म तिमीलाई एकपल्ट बुझाइदिन्छु धेरै नै इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन छ तिमीहरुको टेस्टमा पनि मेबी आउन सक्छ है ल यहाँ फर्स्ट टर्म मीन्स अब हामीले यहाँबाट के गर्छौं भन्दा फ्रम हियर इमेजिन गर्नुस् यो पार्ट छैन इमेजिन दिस पार्ट इज नट देयर है दिस पार्ट इज नट देयर देन वी कॉल दिस फर्स्ट टर्म है फर्स्ट टर्म तर to find its total surface area and volume we cannot find directly because actually we have to get one cone over here its extension यो extended part हो त्यो माथि काटेको हो के त्यो भएर actually cone बाट बनेको स्ट्रक्चर हो so you have to understand this structure first so तपाईलाई मैले एउटा यस्तो क्वेशन दिएको थिए क्लासमा I guess so this total height was 42 centimeter Guys, you remember the question? पहाइ म यहाँ अब फर्स्ट टर्मको क्वेशन मैले यहाँ क्वेशन ब्याङ्कमा एकपल्ट हेर्छु मलाई ठ्याक्कै यादै भएन अब यो क्वेशन त्यो मेजरमेन्ट चाहिँ याद छैन पहाइ यसको मेजर टोटल व्हाट इज टोटल भोल्युम गाइस एनीवन नोस दिस वाज 10 सेन्टिमिटर यो 42 थियो इट्स टोटल भोल्युम कति दिएको थियो भोल्युम सुशान आई गेस यु हैव दैट क्वेशन एनीवन त्यो क्वेसन मेरो मोबाइलमा छ, त्यो मोबाइलमा अहिले क्यामेरा सुट भइरहेको छ, क्यामेरा सुटको लागि 4400, ओके गुड, 4400 centimeter cube. Now look at, from this very first given, what you do is go straight forward for the formula of volume. 1 by 3 pi r square h equals to 4400. ध्यान दिनुहुन्छ है. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 r square into h is 42. That is the height of Chocho. That is 4400. So यहाँबाट तिमीहरूले r square निकाल्यो होला पहिला. 4400 into 7 into 3 by 22 into 42. अब यो क्याल्कुलेट गरिदिनु गरिदिनुहोस् त मलाई कति आउँछ? रुट अन्डर दिस तिमीहरूलाई यो 10 सेन्टिमिटर क्वेसन एक्जामले कम्प्लिट भन त के कोन h इज 14 माथिको स्मल हाइट यो 14 छ. ओके यो 14 सेन्टिमिटर छ. ठिक छ, ठिक छ. त्यसो भए हामीले के गर्यौँ त? यहाँनिर एउटा कुरा मिसिङ हुनु पर्थ्यो. यहाँबाट आरको भ्यालु कति आउँछ? ओ यस, यहाँबाट आउने हो 10 छ. यो 10 दिएको छ नि, यहाँबाट आउने हो. सो द्याट इज 10 सेन्टिमिटर. ल यो 10 सेन्टिमिटर आयो. हेर्नुहोस् है, यो क्वेसन मलाई ठ्याक्कै याद भएन. ठिकै छ नि, अब बुझेँ मैले. सो दिस इज 10 सेन्टिमिटर, राइट? नाउ व्हाट यु हैव टु, अब तपाईको इफ यु नो दिस रेडियस then your problem is solved, because this height is already 14 centimeter. So what you will do is, ध्यान दिनुहोस् है, I told you in the class itself, this is alpha, this is called semi-vertical angle. The main concept, semi-vertical angle. So first go in bigger triangle, A, B, C, D, E. In triangle ABC, ध्यान दिनुहोस् है, tan alpha means P by H, P by B, sorry. P means 10 by B means total, this total vertical height, that is 42, right? Tan alpha 42. Also in triangle, right? Shallow triangle, ADE, what you get is tan alpha is P by B, right? P by B. P is, we don't know, let's keep it R1. And this height is 14. Now the main trick over here is, what you will do is, instead of tan alpha यही भ्यालु राख्दिने. अब यो ठुलो tan बाट निकाले भ्यालु सानो राख्दिने. 10 by 42 equals to R1 by 14, 1442. Therefore R1 equals to 3.33 centimeter. So this is the height of radius of the small cone. Okay, radius of small cone. अब तपाईले के गर्नु पर्यो? Now you need to find its total surface area and the volume. Okay, so please copy up to here if you need to copy it. ल छिटो कपी गर्नुस् त. कसले कपी गर्नु छ भने? ओके, अलराइट, 10 पनि छ. फाइन, ठिक छ यहाँसम्म. अलराइट, अब हामी के गर्छौँ भन्दाखेरि यो मेटे है मैले यो पार्ट. ओके, तपाईले मेजरमेन्ट याद गर्दै गर्नुस्. लुक एट नाउ, volume of frustum. Volume of frustum means volume of bigger cone minus volume of smaller cone, right? Volume of bigger cone minus volume of smaller cone. Bigger cone is 4400, you already know that. Minus 1 by 3 pi, r means r1 square, small, h1, that is 4400 minus 1 by 3 into 3.14 into radius is 3.33 square into height is 4a. So just this is the answer. So this is the volume of frustum. Just wait guys, मेरो refresh गर्नु पर्ने भयो मैले. Okay, so this is how you find the volume of frustum. Frustum, your total volume बाट माथिको volume minus गरिदिनुस्. Now we see how to find the total surface area. And total surface area. Total surface area is, right, ध्यान दिला, TSA of bigger cone, big cone, right? TSA minus, what you are going to subtract is यो माथिको कोनको यो वरिपरिको एरिया, that is LSA of small cone. त्यति गरेपछि when you remove this part out, what happens? A circular portion will be left. So that should be added. So that is area of base of small cone. Small cone. यसो भनेपछि यो टोटलको के फर्मुला पाई r plus l, right? Minus LHS of small cone pi r1 l1 for this one, plus area of base here pi r square, r1 square, right? U radius वाला. Now what you can do is अब तपाईहरुले यो l निकाल्न सकिहाल्नुहुन्छ. As you have already found this and this, you can find l and just put the value. So this is the concept based on first term. तिमीहरु सब गर्दै गर्दै गए केटाकेटीहरु 6 जना मात्रै छन्. यी सब फटाहरु पढ्नु मन भएको. ओके ल अब अरु कोही क्वेशन छ गाइज? एनीवन? Otherwise I'll give you another question. It's done? Put the comment guys, put the comments. ल यो मेटे है मैले अब. Okay. Now say this question. Okay. Now you can see in figure we have got this cylinder that says 28 centimeter, and this is the hemisphere. The radius is 7 centimeter. Now you need to find TSA and volume. Okay, let's see this question. For TSA, can anyone tell me what should be its total surface area? Imagine here is a curved path. This portion is not that. This is just like scoop. It's inside. It's gone inside. है त्यो डोम शेप छ भित्रपट्टि र यहाँ तलपट्टि डोम शेप छ. यहाँ माथि सर्कल जस्तो छैन. यो हामी यो क्लासमा यो पार्ट हुँदैन के तल भित्र गएको हुन्छ है. त्यो कुरा याद गर्नुस्. So, what will be the total surface area? Tell me. The curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi rh plus. अब यसको कर्व सर्फेस एरिया भित्र पनि त पेन्ट गर्नु पर्यो नि, राइट? सो भित्र डोम शेप छ. यो भनेकै यसको के हो त? यो भित्रको के हो त? त्यो कर्व सर्फेस एरिया, that is 2 pi r square plus माथि पनि एउटा डोम शेप छ 2 pi r square. That's it. So this gives you the total surface area 2 pi rh plus 4 pi r square. अब भ्यालु राखिनुस्, you will get it. Right? It's very simple. And volume यसको कति हुन्छ होला? See, when you combine this and this, you will be getting a single sphere. Just try to get the idea. When you join this with this, a single sphere will be formed. So it's simple. The volume of अब तपाईले यहाँनिर के गर्नु पर्यो? एउटा सिंगल स्फियरको भोल्युम घटाइदिनु पर्यो सिलिन्डरको भोल्युमबाट. घटाउने हो बिकज यो भित्रपट्टि गएको छ, काटिएको पार्ट छ. यहाँ पनि तल काटेको छ. So it's like pi r square h is the volume of entire cylinder minus this portion and this portion is to be removed. When you add them, it will be a sphere, and the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That's it. Now just put the value and get the answer. Is it clear guys? ठीक छ? के गर्छ नि केटाहरु? सर लाइभ जोइन नहुने वालालाई काममा सुकाउ. Okay, so this is another question. अब तपाईहरुलाई म अलिकति डिफरेन्ट टाइपको क्वेशन दिन्छु. It's done I guess. हामी फेरि पनि राख्छौँ यो लाइभ क्लास भेरी सुन. धेरैलाई थाहा नहुन सक्छ, कतिलाई आइडिया इन्फर्म पनि भएन होला. Okay, anyway. So shall I move to the next question guys? TSA, total surface area. Total surface area. Any confusion? Who is that? Susan? Okay. C कोमा अलोन अरे. C बाट एकजना मात्र को आएको छ, बाकी सबै कता गएका छन्? अलोन भन्दै छ कोही. Okay, from book I'm going to take one question. यहाँबाट म एउटा क्वेशन दिन्छु तिमीहरुलाई. मैले अघि चिन्ह लगाएर राखेको जस्तो लाग्छ जस्ट होल्ड on okay pillars and all एउटा एकदमै इन्ट्रेस्टिङ क्वेसन देखेको थिएँ मैले लेट मी शेयर दैट क्वेसन विथ यू गाइज ल त्यो क्वेसन पहिला गरिहालौँ है सी दिस क्वेसन okay so even though it seems like it's just below it comes up to here है यो ठ्याक्कै अलि माथिसम्म जान्छ यो फिगरमा 3 मा देखाउँदा यो तल देखे पनि यो माथिसम्म जान्छ है यो याद गर्नुस् अब तपाईलाई दिएको छ रेडियस दिएको छ r = 7 cm 25 cm now imagine you have got a structure like this there is no cone this portion is removed hollow now let's find its total surface area find TSA and volume. Okay, let's see how to find its TSA. Can anyone tell me? अब यहाँ के गर्नु पर्ला भनिदिनुस् त मलाई. Don't get confused. The height of cone and the height of cylinder remains the same, right? यो फिगरमा देखाउँदा तल देखे पनि वास्तवमा यहाँसम्म हुन्छ यो. ठ्याक्कै यहीसम्म देखाउँदा अलिकति यो फिगर ठ्याक्कै हाम्रो मिल्दैन. ठ्याक्कै अलिकति त्यो ख्याल गर्नु होला. Okay, so here total surface area. I'll just be giving the concept only. Formula लेखिदिन्छु. Write the lateral surface area of cone 2 pi rh. Okay, and here this portion is totally there because the dot मात्र छ. So pi r square त हामीले add गर्नै पर्यो, right? Pi r square. And then what about this inner portion? What should be that? What area is that? What area is that, guys? यो भनेको यही कोनको कर्व सर्फेस एरिया हो पाई आरएल यु हैव टु एड दैट बिकज त्यो यसो तललाई हामीले उतान पारेर राख्ने हो भने दिस पोर्सन चाहिँ ओपन हुन्छ त्यहाँ पनि त पेन्ट गर्नु पर्यो नि राइट सो दिस इज द फर्मुला नाउ जस्ट पुट द भ्याल्यु यु विल गेट द आन्सर एन्ड व्हाट अबाउट द भोल्युम बी भोल्युम कति होला भोल्युम मीन्स इट्स भेरी सिम्पल फाइन्ड द भोल्युम अफ सिलिन्डर minus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder means pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. It's same. So whatever you get, that's the answer. Right? Okay. आजलाई टाइम धेरै भइसक्यो गाइस 5:30 आजलाई अलिकति छिटै क्लोज गर्नु पर्ला आई गेस अर्को पल्ट धेरै जना आएको बेलामा धेरै गरौँला होप यु गाइस गट सम आइडियाज नेक्स्ट टाइम we'll come with many questions many more questions. Alright, I'll just make a list of questions from mensuration, from compound interest, and CMaths, and some from equations, right? And accordingly in ApsoMath also we'll see some more questions from trigonometry, and then we'll compile in the next class. Alright, guys. Pukar copy beturi. Is Pukar is there? Pukar, are you there? Alright, guys. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope you guys at least got some ideas of some questions and we'll be doing more questions in next class. Okay, father or son and father wala question pani garam na. Okay, who is that? Subham, you have any question, any special particular question with you that I should solve? के particular question छ भने भन शुभम कुनै पर्टिकुलर क्वेशन छ भने तपाईको मलाई मेसेन्जरमा व्हाट्सएपमा जेमा गरे पनि हुन्छ हैन त्यो शेयर गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अदरवाइज के क्वेशन छ भने गर्नुस् नभए म त्यो कुनै एउटा एक्जाम्पलले कुनै एउटा भन्दिनु होला सर सन एन्ड फादर वाला क्वेशन पनि गरौँ न नो एनी हार्ड वन ल एनी हार्ड वन ल एउटा म क्वेशन गरिदिन्छु है त See, so in case of the question related to ages of father and son, the most important question. Okay. when son becomes as old as father भन्ने question थियो, and that is a very important question. I'm just looking for that. Becomes 5 times. Is that question over here? How many 6 years old? तिमीको बुकमै थियो जुन चाहिँ ल फर एक्जाम्पल एउटा क्वेसन गरिदिन्छु मैले यहाँनिर a question says, listen carefully, a question says 2 years ago a man's age was 3 times the square of his son's age. Okay, 2 years ago example है त एउटा क्वेसन मैले गर्ने let age of father देखिन्छ कि age of it's अलि मधुरो भएछ है केटाकेटी. Let me use the black one. Let age of father equals to x and age of son be y. Then the question says 2 years ago the man's age was 3 times the square of his son's age. Then according to question 2 years ago means x minus 2. Both of them will be 2 years younger, right? So x times 2 equals to y minus 2. पहिले यो लेख्नुस्. Then the question says father's age was 3 times the square of son's age. This is the age of son 2 years ago. And this age is square of this 3 times the square of son's age. 3 times when we into our, right? Into. And this is the age of square of son's age. So एउटा इक्वेसन भयो तपाईले यहाँ पाउनु भयो 3. अब यसलाई सिम्प्लिफाई गरिदिनुस् y square minus 4y plus 4y एउटा इक्वेसन आयो. Also अर्को एक कन्डिसन के दिएको छ उले the next question condition is if 3 years time his age will be 4 times son's age. In 3 years time his age will be 4 times son's age. In 3 years means in upcoming 3 years. So x plus 3 again according to question x plus 3 will be age of this will be age of father and age of son will be y plus 3, right? And now the age of father will be 4 times son's age, 4 times. Just simplify it. X plus 3 equals to 4y plus 12. So x is 4y plus 9. And I'll just put this value over here. You'll be getting a quadratic equation. Just solve it out. And you'll be getting 2 different values of y. One will be positive and other will be negative. Don't take the negative value since it is the age of son, right? Once you get the value of y, accordingly you'll get the value of x. Alright? Teacher? Okay. Son को एज father को भन्दा बढी आयो हरे. Okay guys, so आजलाई यति गरे मैले guys जम्मा 9 जना हुनुहुन्छ आजलाई यति नै गरे. Let's stop over here. We'll be coming soon again with many more questions. All right? So take care. Bye bye. Have a good evening guys. See you. Bye bye.